Hey friends, if you wish to set up and use parental controls on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now obviously we have parental controls from the browser itself, but the best way is using the Microsoft Family Safety app. So simply search for the word family in your Windows search bar and open the Family Safety app. Mostly it should be installed on your system by default, but if you do not find it here, then you can always open the Microsoft Store. Search for family safety in the Microsoft Store search bar, go to family safety and then install it from here. For the time being, I'll just open it. So once you're here, you will notice all members that were added using Microsoft Office. But if you wish to add another family member, you can always click on this one and enter the email address and then add their account here. So basically what you find here is the number of users, the number of different Microsoft accounts associated with your system that have access to log into your system. So let's say that this is my child's account, though it is another account of mine, but let us imagine that this is my child's account. So I'll click on this. Now I can set up various parental controls on it. For example, as for Windows, I can set up, what do we say, a screen time for gaming devices like Xbox, and I can turn limits on. And uh, then I can also activity reported, which means that I will get an detail of all the activities that are done on the system. Then I can go to Edge and then I can filter inappropriate websites and searches, which is similar to the safe search on browsers. And I can even go further to allow only a few set of websites. In that case, I'll have to select the websites. Okay. Or I can disallow a few websites, like let's say I'll what would I say, inappropriate website.com. So I can block these websites and I can allow only certain websites. Like I say that I want my child to use Facebook only, so I'll enter facebook.com in this list. Again, there was an option for activity reporting, but that is not present right now. And you can also do that for mobile phones associated with Windows, especially the ones which are using Windows games, and Xbox, in which you can limit the screen time for Xbox console. All you need to do is click on turn limits on and the time. For example, as of now the limit is set at 15 hours. This is the default one, but you can change it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.